Welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss our second one, which check whether the following equations consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So first one, what is the equation? So let's going to take this is in the format of ax plus by plus c format. Let's going to convert 2x minus 3y minus 8 will be equal to 0. Then this is also equal to 0. Make it into 0. That is 4x minus 6y minus 9 will be equal to 0. So let's take it this one. By seeing itself, we can say is that consistent or inconsistent. So consistent means already we told that unique one solution will be there. Then inconsistent means there is no solution, there is no intersecting lines. That two lines will be going to parallel. So for that, in order to say that two lines are parallel, one condition, one blind logic is there. For this, by seeing itself, you can say if you take common of anything from this, if you say that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 are equal, then you can say that are two inconsistent, but c1 by c2 is not equal. So let's going to take this as equation, the 4x minus 6y. So from 4x minus 6y minus 9 we are writing. So let's take to take common of 2 here. 2x minus 3y minus 9 will be equal to 0. So it is looking like 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y in the first equation. Let's take this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So this is equation 2 as itself. We can say this is 1. So it is only constant multiplied with the 2. So it is parallel lines. If it is like this, then we can say parallel lines. But for this, what you can say, there is no solution. Or otherwise, you can prove this one by itself, that is a1 by a2. So a1 is equals to 2, then a2 is equals to 4, that one will be equal to 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2, then what is that? b1 is minus 3, then b2 is minus 6, minus minus will going to cancel, 3 ones are, then 3 twos are. Then c1 by c2 will be equal to, what is this? Minus 8 by 9. So minus minus will going to cancel, then 8 by 9. So since what you can say, therefore a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2, then that will not be equal to c1 by c2. So if 1, 2 are equal, then all are equal means that is many solutions. But here only one is equal, another one is not equal. For that it is inconsistent. What you can say, this is inconsistent. For this, no solutions. No solution. That two lines are parallels. Like this we have to see. Our second one, so let's going to see this one. What is the table? So table we have to make it for this. So what is the table for this here is, let's going to take what are the equations, 2x minus 3y equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So let's find out y value here. So minus 3y will be equal to 8 minus 2x. Then we are shifting this side. So minus, if you take it, this one means 3y will be equal to 2x minus 8. Then y will be equal to 2x minus 8 by 3. So this is the equation final one. Then minus 6y will be equal to 9 minus 4x. Then 6y will be equal to 4x minus 9. Then y will be equal to 4x minus 9 by 6. So this is the equation. From this we have to find the solutions. Is there any possibilities there or not? So let's going to take it 1, 2, 3 like that. So let's going to take 0. So or 1, let's going to take 1 means it is 6. So it's better to take multiples of 3. Then it will be possible. So 1 is there. So let's going to take 1 means y will be equal to 2 into 1 minus 8 by 3. That is 2 minus 8 by 3. So minus 6 by 3. Then what you will get? Minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2. So this is the value. Let's going to take 2 means 4 will be 4 not possible. 3 let's take it to 3. Or minus 1 you can take, but it is not possible with the 10. So let's going to take minus 3 if you take 3. So 3 also, 2 3s are 6, it will be 6 minus 8, it is not possible with the 3. So it is why I am trying here is in order to get in the integers values, not decimal values. Let's going to take minus 2. So y will be equal to 2 into minus 2 by what you can say, minus 8 by 3, then minus 4 minus 8 by 3, then minus 12 by 3. What answer we will get it? So minus 4 we will get. So 3 ones are, then 3 fours are 12. So minus 2 comma minus 4. So that is the values. Let's going to take integer 3 means what answer we will get. So that is 2 by 3 we will get. Then what is that? So here what value we will get in order to get the value of this. So let's going to take 4. So 4 value if you take means what is the answer? Y will be equal to 2 into 4 by 8 by 3. So 8 minus 8 by 3, that is 0 by 3. We will get it answer as 0. Then 4 comma 0. Let's going to take again 8. So 2 8s are. What we will get it? 2 8s are 16. Then 8 2s are 16. Then another value. Let's move on to this. Let's going to take minus. What you can say minus 1. So let's take minus 1. So y will be equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 8 by 3. Then what answer? Minus 2 minus 8 by 3. Then minus 10 by 3. What answer we will get? So minus minus plus, for that minus 10 by 3. That answer will be equal to 10 by 3. We will get it as 3.333 like that. So let's take it minus 1 comma 3.3. So these are the values for this. Let's move on to the second one, that is y is equals to 4x minus 9 by 6. So let's going to take, this is the value, let's take it as 1. So 1 we will get it as 1, y will be equal to what is that, 4 into 1 minus 9 by 6. So 4 minus 9 by 6, what answer we will get? Minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 means 5 by 6 we will get it as minus 0.83. So 1 comma minus 0.83 we will get. Then let's take it this one as 0. Let's going to take 0. Then what answer we will get? Y will be equal to 4 into 0 minus 9 by 6. So minus 9 by 6. Why? Because 4 zeros is 0. Then 9 by 6 answer we will get it as 1.5. So 1.50 comma minus 1.5. Let's take it as value as 2. Then minus 1 by 6 we will get. Why? Because here 2. Then 3, 12. So what answer we will get? So 3 we will get it as, then y will be equal to 4 into 3, 12 minus 9 by 6. So 12 minus 9 by 6. So 12 minus 9 will be equal to what? 3 by 6. So 3 by 6 means, so what answer we will get? 3 by 6. That is 0.5. So 0.5 we will get 3 comma 0.5. Then let's move on to the any negative values. You can take it as minus 3 or minus 2 or minus 1. So minus 3 if you take minus, let's move on to this, minus 2. Then what answer we will get? Or you can take it as minus 5 by 6. Any value, same values we will get. So y will be equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 9 by 6. So minus 8 minus 9 by 6. What answer we will get? 17 minus 17 by 6. So 17 by 6 we will get answer as 2 point, therefore minus 2.83. So let's take it minus 2 comma minus 2.83. So these are the points. Like this we have to find the solutions. Let's see our graph next one. We are going to construct bar graph for the, what is that, lines for that second one. 2x minus 3y will be equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So this is second one. So what are the points for first equation? 1 comma 2. So 1 comma minus 2. So from 1 x-axis is here and minus 2 is here. So what is this point is 1 comma minus 2. So this is one point we are located. Then minus 2 comma minus 4. So where is minus 2? The minus 2 is from here, then minus 4 is here. So minus 2 to minus 4. So what is the point? So this is the point of minus 2 comma minus 4. Let's take 4 comma 0. So x is 4 and y is 0, that is x-axis. We will get it as this one. So 4 comma 0. The next point is minus 1 comma 3.3. So minus 1 comma, what is that? 3.3. So minus 1 comma 3.3, where we will get it? So here somewhere we will get it. So leave about that point. So let's take it that one. So actually that is minus 1 comma 3.3. Let's move on to this. Let's going to join these points. So if you join this one, we will get it as one line. So let's going to join all these points. We will get one line here. So what is this equation? So this is the equation of 2x minus 3y will be equal to So let's going to write equation like this. That is 2x minus 3y. Upon that only we have to write 2x minus 3y will be equal to 8. Then second one, that is 1 comma minus 8.83. 0.83 means it is actually the 8 mm. So after 0, 8 mm. So 1 comma minus. So minus, right? 0.8 means, so from minus 1 before 8. So my 1 comma, this is the point. So from here 1 2. So this is the point of, so what you can say, this one minus 0.8. So minus 1 comma minus 0.8 from 1 to 8 mm. Then 0 comma minus 1.5. So minus 0, x is 0 means on x-axis. 0.5 means where we will get it, 1.5 means. So here after 1, that is 0.5. So after 1 minus 1, we need to get, what is this? This one is 0 comma minus 1.5. So what you can say, this line actually it is on y-axis 0, 1, minus 1 after 5 mm. Then 3 comma 0.5. So from 3.5. So here 3 to 0.5 means this is after 0 above, this one will be, we will get as 3 comma 0.5. So after above x-axis, that is positive 1, then minus 2 comma minus 2.8. So minus 2 comma 2.8 means where we will get it after 2 minus 2, what, 8 mm. So where we will get before minus 3, 8, 2 lines. So 1 2. So this is the line. What you can say, this one is minus 2 comma minus 2.8. So let's going to join this line. These lines will going to join. So if you join these lines, what answer we will get? We will get the parallel lines. There is no solution for this. So we are getting the parallel lines. So what is the equation of this? 4x minus 6y will be equal to 9. So for this second one, what you can say? No solution. No solution. There is no intersection. So no solution. Two lines are parallel lines. That is parallel lines, inconsistent. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.